The Piazzano Crispy Crust Pizza Oven by Granite Stone is an exceptional addition to any kitchen, especially for pizza enthusiasts who value quality and convenience. This electric-powered countertop appliance is designed with a natural stone surface that ensures a perfectly crispy crust in every pizza, elevating the home dining experience. Measuring 13.62 inches in depth, 13.77 inches in width, and 6.49 inches in height, the compact design fits snugly on any countertop, making it suitable for kitchens of all sizes. The dual heating zones allow for optimal cooking, ensuring that pizzas are evenly baked and cooked to perfection in under 6 minutes. A remarkable feature for those who crave quick homemade meals without compromising quality. The dual knob control system is intuitive and user-friendly, providing precise temperature adjustments to cater to different pizza styles and preferences. The drop-down door design adds to the convenience, making it easy to access your pizzas.
Ninja NC501 Creamy Deluxe 11-in is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, particularly for those who enjoy creating homemade frozen treats. This sleek silver appliance boasts a generous capacity of 24 fluid ounces, making it ideal for families or small gatherings. Its user-friendly operation mode is automatic, simplifying the process of crafting delicious ice creams, sorbets, and other frozen delights. One of the standout features of the Ninja Creamy Deluxe is its innovative Creamify technology, combined with dual-drive motors that ensure a smooth texture every time. The included deluxe creamerizer paddle enhances the mixing process, resulting in desserts that rival those from artisanal producers. Additionally, the unit comes with two 24 Oz pint contain.
Gourmet EDB 302BF is an impressive countertop burner that stands out in its category, delivering solid performance and reliability for various cooking needs. Its sleek black plastic design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, allowing it to blend seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Powered by two efficient heating elements, this electric burner offers a total wattage of 1500 watts, ensuring quick and consistent heat distribution. The manual control knobs are user-friendly, providing precise temperature adjustments that cater to a wide range of cooking techniques, from simmering sauces to boiling pasta. With dimensions of 9 inches deep by 16.5 inches wide and just 3 inches high, it occupies minimal counter space, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or as an additional cooking appliance during gatherings. Its lightweight construction, weighing only 245 kilograms, 539 pounds, adds to its portability, allowing users to easily move it.
Mixing bowls with airtight lids are a standout addition to any kitchen, showcasing an impressive combination of functionality and style. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these bowls provide both robust performance and a sleek aesthetic. The classic gray color complements various kitchen decors, making them a versatile choice for any culinary endeavor. This set includes 22 pieces, featuring a generous 5-quart capacity that's perfect for mixing salads and other dishes. The bowls are designed to be stackable, a thoughtful characteristic that enhances storage efficiency in crowded cabinets. Each bowl comes with an airtight lid, ensuring that your ingredients stay fresh and secure, which is particularly advantageous for meal prep or leftovers. Weighing in at 6.41 pounds, these bowls are substantial, giving them a feeling of quality and sturdiness. Though they are not microwavable, their dishwasher-safe feature simplifies cleanup, allowing for a hassle-free.
Gorilla Grip Professional 4-sided grater slicer combines functionality and durability in a compact design that is perfect for any kitchen. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this grater not only promises longevity, but also ensures optimal slicing and grating performance. Its dimensions of 5.9 inches in length, 3.1 inches in width, and 9.9 inches in height make it an ideal size for easy handling and storage, while its rectangular shape allows for versatile use across a variety of ingredients. One of the standout features of the Gorilla Grip Professional is its ergonomic design, which includes a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. This is particularly beneficial when tackling large quantities of cheese, vegetables, or fruits. The grater includes multiple grating options, allowing users to achieve fine, medium, or coarse textures, catering to various culinary needs. The product is also dishwasher safe, which facilitates hassle-free,